Hello, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I have told you about the Code tab of Scratch software. Today, we're going to learn about costume and sound tabs too. But before that, I will explain you what are these two buttons over there on the stage part. So these two buttons are basically used to start the project. The green flag is used to start the project of Scratch, and the red button is used to stop the project of Scratch. Whatever you code here for a particular sprite, that code will work when you click on this green flag. It will start the code and it will stop the code, or it will stop the program to again back to the normal using the red button. Okay, other than that, you have these options above this choose a sprite button. So these are the three to four options which help you to upload the sprite. This means you can just download any of the sprite or a cartoon character from the internet and you can upload it from your device. This option helps you to add any of the sprite by default. Once you click it, a sprite by default get added here. Okay, like this. That is a magic wand which I have added. Once I click on it again, a new different kind of sprite will get added here. And this is the paint option, which helps you to create the sprite of your own through the help of paint. And this is the choose sprite option, which is very similar to this choose a sprite. Similar to the sprite, we have choose a backdrop option here. In this, we have upload a backdrop option, which you can use to upload any of the backdrops you have downloaded from internet. And then you have the surprise option, similar to the choose a sprite surprise option, in which once you click here, you can add any by default sprite which is added automatically in your background of the stage. Now, other than that, you have a paint option again, similar to the choose a sprite paint option here in the stage. So, with the help of paint, you can create your own backdrop or a stage for the sprite. And this is similar to choose a backdrop. You can search from here, from the list of backdrops, whatever backdrop you need. Okay, so going back to the costumes tab, once I click on it, see, this is the kind of screen which you will get once you click on costume tab. Here, you will find the two costumes of a pencil sprite which you have already selected. Okay, see, the selected sprite here is the pencil. So the pencil sprite is having two costumes. The first one is this, which is having its name as pencil hyphen A, and then there is pencil hyphen B. So these are the two costumes of the pencil. This one is the darker one, this one is the lighter one. Similar, if I choose the magic wand, it is having the first costume and it is having only one costume associated with it. Now, if I choose the cat sprite, see, this is having two costumes of it. The first one is costume one, as you can see the name, and the second one is costume two, which is this name. Okay, and the costume two is having a certain different position or of cat sprite, and this one is having a different position of cat sprite. So, what this costume tab is doing here is it is providing you the option to customize your sprite. Okay, based on the color, based on different tools which are available to you here. Okay, so either than that, if you want to change the name of costume, you can change it from here. Like instead of costume one, you can write the name as costume first. Okay, and press enter. So the costume first will be the name of this first costume, which you have already available here. You can edit its name. And then another thing which you can do here is you can fill the color inside the sprite. Since the fill color is automatically available here, which is a violet color, you can make it to anyone. Like if I choose from here, it is selected as a yellow now. So if I select this brush tool, okay. So what I'll do, I will go here and I will just see, I will just enter or just hover the mouse here, and its mouth is in yellow color now because I have painted the yellow color inside the mouth of the. Okay. So similar like this, you can make the changes. You can use the fill bucket with the help of this color. You can make the change in the color, like if I choose this red color, so my fill bucket will be in the red color. See, it will fill the mouth in red. Okay, so here, other than that, you can customize the sprite based on your choice, whatever customization you want in that sprite. But if I want a tool, like if I want to paint my own sprite, my own created sprite. So this is the by default sprite of Scratch, which is Scratch. But if I want a new sprite of my own, okay, I will create it by the help of this. Choose the costume option. Okay, this helps you to upload any costume from the internet, and this helps you to add any costume from the available costume which are there in the Scratch. So if I click on this, see, by default, any of the costume will get added by itself. Again, if you click on this, a new by default costume get added. And if I want to paint my own, okay, if I want to create my own, so I will click on this paint. And what it will do, it will give me a blank canvas on which I can create my own sprite. So here, if I choose this box as my sprite, so I will use this. See, it is already filled it in red color. Okay. So if I click on fill and choose any one of the other color other than red, and I click on this, see it is in blue color. And if I want to rub it, I will choose the eraser tool and I can remove this blue color like this. Okay. And if I want to remove the complete picture, I can remove it like this. But if I want to undo it, I have done any mistake, I will use this option of undo. I will make it like this again. And if I want this picture to be instead of any other shape other than rectangle, I'll choose this arrow and I'll just extend it from here like this. See, it will be in any other different kind of shape. So these are the different tools which helps you to customize your own sprite which you have created with the help of line tool. You can create a line like this. Okay, you can make the change from here. Also, you can use the circle tool, create a circle. Okay, and other than that, you have the option of instead of fill, you have the option of outline, which is right now having the boundary width of 4. So you can choose the outline color as well. See, it is in black color right now, and it is having the width of 4. If I make it to 5, see, the boundary is getting thicker now. Okay, of the circle which is already selected. So this is the selected shape. Why it is selected? Because the arrows or the corner of blue color is around this circle only. So that is why it is selected and its the width is getting increased. Okay, like this. If you want to decrease the width, you can decrease it like this, or you can type it here also. So instead of 18, you can make it 4 directly. Now, if you want to group certain selections or certain whatever sprites you have added or whatever shapes you have created, if you want to group them once, okay, if you want to create a group of them, just go to this arrow here, just select this. It is already selected. Click on shift option from the keyboard and select this too. So this group will get highlighted here. And you click on this, it will get it will be a complete picture from here now. It is a group. You can place it anywhere on the canvas. Okay. If you want to ungroup it, click on ungroup. They will be different now. Okay. They are now ungrouped. You can make the change on the circle tool like this, circle image like this, and you can change this image like this. Other than that, you can create a copy of that particular image, whatever you have created like this, copy and then paste. See, it's different duplicate images are already created. If you want to delete it like this, you can delete. Okay, the complete pictures or complete tools or whatever shapes we have created, they have deleted. Now, if you want to undo, you can undo them like this. Okay, everything is now. So if you want to make the flip in the picture, you can make it like this. See, flip horizontal. If I make it like this again, flip vertical like this. Okay. So these are the forward and backward options. I will show you how they will work. So I will change the color of this picture. Instead of blue, I will make it yellow. Okay. And I will choose the circle now. Both the pictures are here and the rectangle or whatever shape it is in the behind of the circle. So if I click on circle, I will make it backward. Okay, see like this. The circle is backward now. If I want to make the circle forward, behind means like in front of this rectangle shape. So I will do this like this. So the same thing you can do with the help of front and back option. Once you click on front, it is already in front. If you want to make it back, you can make it back, front, and back. So these are the options which you can use like this on the sprites which you have created. So I have created the shapes already, shapes actually, not the sprites, but they are like for me as a sprite right now. So I can make the change on them. I have shown you how these properties will work on them. So this is the costume tab which you can use for making your own sprite or for customizing any costume which you already have. Now you have the last or the third tab of Scratch, which is sound. Okay, so by default, meow sound is here because I have selected the sprite one, which is cat. So from this sound, see, it is having the name of meow. You can customize the name from here. So I will make it cat sound name. Okay, you can make the change like this. Or if you want to see what this sound is actually, you can play this sound as well. See, if you want to make it faster, if you want to make it slower, like this. So these are the different options which you can choose. And other than that, if you want to make a copy of this sound, click on copy and paste it. See, like this, it will gonna create. If you want to copy to new, see, a new sound will get created here. Cat sound 2. The name of cat sound 2. You can rename it, make it to meow. Okay. So these are the two sounds which are similar because we have created a copy of that. Okay, the copy of the first one we have created here as the second sound. Now what we're gonna do, if I want to delete a specific part of the sound, I will click on here. Okay, once I click like this, I will need to expand it like this. Okay, once I expand it till here, click on delete. Part of this much of sound will get deleted. And once you play it, see, like this kind of sound will be there. And similar to costumes, you can add your own sound by uploading from the internet. And you can add by default sound, any sound from the scratch, which is added as a surprise for you. And other than that, you can record your sound. Okay, you have the option for recording as well. And you can choose from a list of sound. There are different sounds which are already available in Scratch. See, there are different sounds which are already available. You can choose from them based on the categories, animals, effects, and so on. So in all category, you will find all the sounds which are all available in Scratch. So this is the complete explanation which I have done for you, including all the three tabs of code, costume, and sounds, and whatever functionality they are offering to you. Okay. So this is the complete explanation of Scratch Finto. I hope you find it useful and informative. So thank you so much for watching this video and kindly subscribe my channel as well. Thank you so much.